Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the modified DO binary encoding, which is a continuation of the previous class where we have discussed about DO binary encoding under two cases, without precoder and with precoder. So in the today's discussion, there is a DO binary encoding and some changes are made in order to convert the DO binary encoding into a modified DO binary encoding. So if you carefully observe the block diagram of DO binary encoder and this modified DO binary encoder, so this is again without precoder. So we have not used a precoder before this DO binary encoder. So it is completely free from a precoder. So what will happen to the encoder output if you don't use a precoder, right? So the direct whatever the incoming data sequence BK is there, so that is given to the level shifter, so or the bipolar NRZ encoder. Either you can use level shifter or you can use the bipolar NRZ format. So both will transform the binary data sequence ones and zeros into the two level sequence +1 and -1. So binary 1 is converted into a level +1 and 0 is converted into level -1, and this two level sequence having +1 and -1 is given to this modified DO binary encoder. So the difference between the DO binary encoder and this modified DO binary encoder is, so instead of using the delay is equal to TB, so here we have used the 2 TB delay. 2 TB delay means separate 2 bits are separated by the 2 TB duration. What is the change? The 2 bits are separated by how much duration? 2 TB duration here. And next change is, instead of using summer, here what we have used is, we have used the subtractor. So then the output of this subtractor is the encoded output without precoder, which is denoted by CK. And this CK is the 3 level sequence. Please remember, this sequence CK is the 3 level sequence. And how to get this CK? This CK can be written as, look at here. So this is AK minus AK minus 2, and this AK minus 2 is the output of delay when 2 TB is considered whenever the input is AK, right? So AK here given as a input to the delay consisting of 2 TB, the output is AK minus 2. If there is single delay TB, then the output is AK minus 1. Since there is a 2 TB delay, the output is AK minus 2, and this is another input for the subtractor. So therefore the input for this subtractor is AK and AK minus 2. The output CK is given by AK minus 2, and this AK is a 2 level sequence plus or minus 1, and this CK can be considered as the correlated sequence of one of the 3 level outputs. That means the CK consists of how many levels in the outputs? 3 levels. It could be 0, +2 or -2. Then at the receiver side, in the decoder part, we have to estimate the 2 level sequence AK from the output of the modified DO binary encoder. So you have to reconstruct, you have to reproduce the 2 level sequence AK from CK. How? By modifying this equation. So AK is equal to, the estimate of AK is equal to CK plus this minus becomes plus estimate of AK minus 2. Look at here, based on this expression, you can draw the block diagram of the decoder part of modified DO binary encoder, right? So AK is the output, the estimate of AK, this can be obtained by adding the encoder output CK, which is a 3-level sequence, plus estimate of AK minus 2. Look at here, the output is AK, estimate of AK. So if you consider 2 TB delay, then at the output of delay you will get AK minus 2 estimate. Then add both CK and AK minus 2, you will get AK cap. That is the estimate of AK. Is that clear? So during the data transmission, if any bit gets affected by any error, then the entire data bits get affected by the error. So the error is going to occur in the entire data transmission. So let's understand how the single error can affect the entire data transmission. So we'll understand with the help of an example. Look at here. So what you have to understand to solve this numerical example, you please understand how to get the encoder output, that is CK is equal to AK minus 2, and how to estimate or how to reproduce the 2-level sequence, which is the input for encoder, that is AK dash is equal to AK cap is equal to CK plus AK minus 2 cap. So this is the output of decoder and this is the output of encoder. So I will read out the problem statement. The binary data sequence is given 0 111 00 101 and are applied to the input of a modified DO binary system. So there is a modified DO binary system. To that a binary data sequence is applied. What is asked is construct the modified DO binary coder output. Means you have to get the output of the DO binary coder. What is that output? CK. You have to get CK. And also corresponding receiver output. Receiver output means at the output of receiver, again you have to estimate the 2-level sequence AK without precoder. And the second question is very interesting and important also. Suppose that due to the error in the transmission, if error occurred in any one bit in the data transmission, the level produced by the third digit is reduced to 0. So whatever the bit is affected by error, that bit is reduced to 0 and you have to construct the new receiver output. Means you have to estimate the new output AK dash. So this is the problem definition. So now let us write down the binary data sequence as it is. Look at here. So this is my binary data sequence. This one is the binary data sequence BK. So if you remember the block diagram of modified binary encoder, I will show it again. So there is AK. So before this BK is there. Before this the binary data sequence BK is given and it consists of ones and zeros. So these ones and zeros are converted into, you have to convert it into the 2-level sequence, that is +1 -1. And to do this one, either you can use a bipolar NRZ converter or you can use a level shifter, right? So see here, so I am using AK, right? See here, 0 is transformed into -1. We all know this one. In the previous class discussion also we have seen this. 1 is converted into +1, 1 becomes +1, 0 becomes -1. Only that is a logic here. So how to convert the sequence BK into AK? by either using level shifter or polar bipolar NRZ format. Both will do the same function. They will transform zeros into -1 and 1 into +1. Understood? So after converting BK into AK, so this AK becomes the input for a modified DO binary encoder, and the output is what? The output is CK. The output of the encoder is CK, which is AK minus 2. So it is the difference between the two sequence, the bits in the two sequence AK and AK minus 2. So AK is one sequence and AK minus 2 is another sequence. So we have to perform the difference operation, subtraction operation bitwise between these two sequences. So before that we have to assume a AK minus 2 is equal to 1. See here. So this is the current AK bit. So this is very important. So listen carefully as well as observe carefully. So this is a present AK bit. So this is our AK minus 1. This is AK minus 1. So 1 bit delay. If you consider another delay, then this is AK minus 2. So this is first bit is AK minus 2 and this is AK minus 1. This is AK plus 1, AK plus 2, so on, right? So if you take left side, you will get AK minus 1, AK minus 2, and right side AK plus 1, AK plus 2, like that, right? So then, so this is AK minus 2, this is AK minus 1, so this is AK, right? Then how to get CK, right? So don't bother about this row, right? Don't bother about this row. So you write down only this is important, then this is important, this is important, and here you write down AK minus 1 is also plus 1, AK minus 2 also plus 1, right? You can assume minus 1 also, but for better convenience you use plus 1, right? Now this row is important. Look at the third row where we are writing the bits or the levels in the encoder output CK, which is AK minus 2, right? Look at here. AK is this one, AK is this one, AK minus 2. If this is a AK, then what is AK minus 2? This is a AK minus 2. So minus 1 minus of plus 1. So this becomes minus 1. So minus 1 is how much? Minus 2, right? So next is this bit, and for this bit, what is AK minus 2? Let's say this is AK, the present bit is AK, so this minus 1 becomes AK minus 1 and this plus 1 becomes what? AK minus 2. So you perform the subtraction between this AK and AK minus 2, plus 1 and minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is CK. Next, so this is next AK, and for this bit, what is the AK minus 2? This is AK minus 1, and previous two bits, the last two bits you have to consider as AK minus 2. So for this one, this is a AK minus 2. So 1 minus of minus 1, so 1 plus 1 becomes plus 2. Next for this one, this is AK minus 2, 1 minus of plus 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. Next for this minus 1, for this one, this is plus 1 minus 1 is 0. For this one, this is AK minus 2, minus 1 becomes minus 2. Next for this one, this is minus 1 minus plus, minus plus minus, minus 1 means minus 2. Next this one and this one, 1 minus of minus is plus, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 and this minus 1 0, this one and this plus 1 0. So this is how we get CK sequence. Is that clear? So this is the output of the DO binary encoder, modified DO binary encoder without precoder. Is that clear? So now from this CK, at the output of decoder, our job is to reproduce the sequence AK from CK, right? So what is that? Estimate of AK is equal to CK plus estimate of AK minus 2. Estimate of what? AK minus 2. Is that clear? So what is AK minus 2 here? Look at here. So this is a CK. This is a CK. Now again AK minus 1 is plus 1. Same you consider. So this is AK minus 1. This is AK minus 2. AK minus 2. Look at it. So this is the present bit minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 plus AK minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is how much? Minus 1. Okay. And for this present CK bit, what is AK minus 2? This one. 0 plus 1. How much it is? Plus 1. Plus 1. And for this CK plus 2, this minus 1 becomes AK minus 2. 2 plus minus 1 is plus 1. For this 0, this plus 1 becomes AK minus 2. 0 plus 1 is plus 1. And for this minus 2, this one. Minus 2, this one. So minus 1. This for this minus 2, plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. This one. Plus 2 minus 1. Plus 2 plus minus 1. Plus 1. This one. 0 plus minus 1. Minus 1. 0 plus 1. Plus 1. So this is the estimate of what? AK cap. This is the estimate of what? AK cap. Next there is a binary sequence BK you have to estimate, right? So ultimately this BK is the original binary data which is transmitted. So how this is? So once you calculated AK dash, give it to the decision device. If the AK cap is minus 1, if it is less than 0, then the output is 0. If it is greater than 0, then the binary data is plus 1. Look at here, it is plus 1, greater than 0, right? 1. Minus 1 is less than 0, so output is 0. Minus 1, 0, plus 1, 1, minus 1, 0, plus 1, 1. Look at the original binary sequence and this, are they same or not? 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Is that clear? Okay. So the second part of this problem is, I will read out the problem. Second question. Suppose that due to the error in transmission, the level produced means it is a two level sequence. Level produced means AK. Level produced by the third digit. Level means it is CK. Level produced by the encoder by the third digit is reduced to 0. Look at it. So again you have to consider what? You have to consider the CK here. You have to consider CK. So what is CK sequence? So it is minus 2, 0, plus 2, 0, minus 2, plus 2, 0, 0. So same sequence you write down here. So I have written the same sequence. Suppose that due to the error transmission, due to the error present in the data transmission, in the third digit, where the error is occurred, the error is occurred in the third digit in the 3-level sequence produced by the modified DO binary encoder. If this bit is get affected by error, then it will reduce to what? 0. It will reduce to what? 0. See here, plus 2 becomes what? 0. So the level plus 2 is reduced to what? 0 now. So the remaining bits are as it is. Minus 2, 0. These bits also same. 0. Now again you calculate the AK cap. again you estimate and will verify whether you will get the same output as that of the previous or different. So you know that again ak minus 1 is plus 1, ak minus 2 is also what, plus 1. So ak cap is equal to ck plus ak minus 2. So this is the present bit in the ck, this ck plus 1, this is because this is ak minus 2, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Is that clear? And for this 0 bit, this becomes ak minus 2. So 0 plus 1 is plus 1. Yes. Next, right? Next, for this bit, this minus 1 becomes 0. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Next, for this 0, this plus 1 is ak minus 2. 0 plus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1. Minus 2 plus minus 1, minus 3. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. Plus 2, how much it is? Plus 2, minus 3. Plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Next 0 plus minus 1, minus 1. This one. Next 0 plus minus 1, minus 1. So this is how we estimate the two level sequence. Now from this two level sequence, you again estimate your binary data sequence bk dash using the decision rule. So what decision rule says is, if the estimated sequence ak cap is less than 0, then the output bit is 0. If the estimated bit is greater than 0, then the binary sequence is plus 1. The data in the binary sequence is plus 1. So minus 1 is 0, plus 1 since it is greater than 0, it is 1. Again minus 1 means it is 0, plus 1 means 1, minus 3 it is less than 0, so 0, minus 1 is less than 0, so it is 0, minus 1 0, 0, 0, right? See here, what is the original actual data sequence? 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1, but look at here, 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. Is it same as the actual data sequence? No, it is completely different. Why it is so? Because in a data transmission, if any single bit is get affected by error, then the same error is going to propagate during the entire data transmission. Look at here, till the end of the data transmission, the same 0 error is propagating. And this is the disadvantage, or you can see the drawback of the DO binary, modified DO binary encoder without precoder. If you don't use precoder before you performing the encoding, right? So this will happen. So in order to overcome this drawback, what we have to do is, we have to go for the precoding operation, or what you call differential encoding, before you perform the DO binary encoding, right? So here there is a modified DO binary encoding with precoder. I already told you precoder is nothing but a differential encoder which is performed using the logical network called as XNOR, right? So here, so this is the modified DO binary encoder, and before that we have to perform the differential encoder using XNOR gate. So whatever the actual data is there, data sequence BK is given to the XNOR gate. So the output of XNOR gate is differentially encoded or precoded sequence DK, which is equal to BK XOR. So one more difference you can observe here. In simple DO binary encoder with precoder, we have used the single delay element, means there is only one bit separation. But look at here, we have used the 2 TB delay. 2 TB delay. So therefore, how can you write the differential encoded sequence or precoded sequence? DK is equal to, so here the input is BK, and here since there is 2 TB delay, it is BK minus 2. Here it is BK minus 2. So your differential encoded or precoded sequence DK is equal to BK XOR BK minus 2. So what is DK? DK is equal to BK XOR BK minus 2. And this precoded sequence is given to the, again this precoded sequence consists of what? Binary logical values, zeros and ones, and this sequence is converted into 2-level sequence using, either you can use level shifter or a bipolar NRZ coder format, and this AK consists of +1 and -1 values. And this sequence, using this sequence you can calculate the encoded output. CK is equal to, see here there is a subtractor, CK is equal to AK minus, again there is a 2 TB delay, here AK, what is the output of this delay? Since there is 2 TB delay, it is AK minus 2. So then what is the coded output, coded sequence, or it is also called as received sequence? CK is equal to AK minus AK minus 2. Look at here, AK minus 2. So this is how the modified DO binary encoder with precoder works. And coming to the decoder part, so here there is rectifier is used. Why this rectifier is used? It will consider only the positive values. It works as a magnitude calculator. It will take only the absolute value. So CK is the input, which is the received signal given to the rectifier, and it will calculate the absolute value, and this absolute value is given to the decision device, where it gets compared with the threshold value is equal to 1. If the magnitude or absolute value of CK is greater than 1, then decision device will decide in the favor of 1. It will give the decision in favor of 1. If it is less than 1, then it will decide in the favor of 0. So this is how again we reproduce the original sequence BK at the output of decoder. So basically this is the decoder block diagram in modified DO binary encoder, right? So based on this, we'll solve one numerical example. So before we attempt for numerical example, please remember the two expression. One is DK is equal to BK XOR BK minus 2, that is precoded sequence, and another is the received sequence, which is the output of encoder. CK is equal to AK minus 2. So this is the problem statement. A binary sequence is given 00101110. is applied to the modified DO binary encoder. Binary sequence means BK is applied to the modified DO binary encoder with precoder. It is with precoder. You have to understand here, modified DO binary encoder with precoder means there is precoder as well as followed by DO binary encoder. Calculate the following sequence. Sequence AK. Sequence AK. So what is the sequence AK? At the output of, at the precoder output, it is the output of what? The level shifter. It is the output of what? A level shifter. AK. Then the output sequence CK. Output sequence CK. So I think same 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. So here he has taken different example. Sequence is different, so it's okay. We'll take this example 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, this is BK. So let's calculate DK here. So DK is equal to what? BK XOR AK minus, BK minus 2. BK minus 2 means assume the two previous bits as plus 1. So this is DK minus 1. DK or what? This is BK minus 1 and this is BK minus 2. Right? So now perform the XOR operation. So for this is a present BK and for this present bit BK, what is DK? BK minus 2, 1. So 0 XOR 1 is what? 1. And for this bit, what is BK minus 2? This one. Right? 1 XOR 1 is 0. Next 1 XOR 1 0. Next 1 XOR 0 1. 0 XOR 0 0. XOR operation means both the bits are similar, then output is 0. Bits are different, then the output is 1. 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. So this is the precoded sequence, the output of the precoder. Next, the output of level shifter AK. So this level shifter will transform 1 into plus 1 and 0 into minus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 0 is transformed or mapped into minus 1, 0 is minus 1, plus 1, 0 minus 1, plus 1 and this minus 1. And again we will take AK minus 1 is plus 1 and AK minus 2 is also 1. You can take minus 1 also. For better convenience you use plus 1. Next, so how to calculate CK? CK is equal to, what is the formula? So there is a subtractor. CK is equal to AK minus 2. So you have to perform the subtraction between these two. So AK is what? AK is equal to plus 1. AK is equal to plus 1. So this plus 1, AK minus 2, for this bit AK minus 2 is this one. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 minus plus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Is that clear? Next, for this one, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is plus 1 minus plus 1 is how much it is? Yes, 0. So for this bit +1 minus +1, it is 0, right? So here it is 0. Next, for this -1 minus 1 minus 1, this is +1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, I will explain once again here. So Ck is equal to Ak minus Ak minus 2. So for this Ak, so this is a present Ak bit. Ak minus 2 is this one. For this bit, Ak minus 2 is this one, right? So +1 minus 1, how much it is? 0, right? 0. Next, this -1 minus of +1, -1 minus 1 minus 2. Next, -1 minus of +1, -1 minus 1 is -2. +1 plus of -1, how much it is? Minus into minus plus, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2. -1 minus into minus becomes +1, -1 plus 1 is 0. Next, +1 minus of +1, 0. +1 minus of -1 is +1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Next, +1 minus of +1, 0. -1 minus of 1 is -2. So this is the, I will explain once again. So look at here, this one, +1 minus of +1, 0, right? So this is 0. Next here, -1 minus of +1, -2. Here -1 minus of +1, again you will get -2. So like this you have to perform the subtraction between Ak and Ak minus 2. So this is the output of encoder, output sequence or received sequence. Next, in order to estimate the original data sequence Bk, you have to feed this sequence Ck to the rectifier and it will calculate the magnitude or absolute value. So 0 absolute value is 0, -2 absolute value is +2, like that. So you have to consider only the positive value. And next, the decision device is used. It will make a decision with respect to the threshold value 0. If the given Ck value is greater than 0, right, then the output is 1. If it is less than 0, then the output is 0. So 0 is there, so it is less than 1. 2 is there, it is greater than 1, means output is 1. So these are also greater than 1, means output is 1. If it is less than 1, means outputs are 0. So 2 is again greater than 1, 0 is less than 1 means 0, 2 is greater than 1. So decision device will compare the Ck with respect to threshold value 1, not 0. The threshold value is set as 1. So now see the input sequence and output sequence at the decoder. Are they same? Yes, both are same. So this is a decision rule. If magnitude of Ck is greater than 1, then the estimator of binary sequence Bk is equal to 1. If it is less than 1, then it is estimated as 0. So another problem is there. So take the sequence 001101 001 and repeat the same process. Okay. So with this we'll conclude this particular discussion. Thank you.